Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today's video, we're going to be tackling this room yet again. This is my office slash spare room. I know we've cleaned this before, but it definitely needs to be done again. There are things everywhere. I've got to declutter a bunch of this stuff, get through some of my decor. I want to go through some more of my clothes. So this video is going to be dedicated to this room. We're going to get it all cleaned up, all decluttered, and I think I'm going to go ahead and rearrange some things too. So if you're interested in seeing how this all turns out, then just keep on watching. So the first thing I'm going to go ahead and do is open up the window. We've actually been having some really nice fall weather here lately. I think on this day it was in the mid 60s and it was really nice and sunny with a really great breeze. So I thought that would give me some motivation and get me going. I really didn't know where to start in this room. Actually, it just looked like a bomb blew up in it, but I needed to get all of this stuff out of here and cleaned up. If you've been here before, you know that my closet is in here with all of my clothes, the dresser that I have, a lot of my stuff in here, plus that desk is where I try to like to sit and edit my videos. It doesn't always happen because this is what this room looks like. So this desperately needed to be done. Every time I walked in here every single day, it just drove me insane. And another reason why I wanted to go ahead and do this video, not only because this room desperately needed the attention, but October is coming and October is Suicide Awareness Month, and I've had to actually deal with this too many times in my life, but I wanted to kind of bring awareness to everyone else that mental health is extremely important. And everybody just needs a little space to get away, clear their mind. You know, you don't want to be at work all day or taking care of your kids all day, especially right now, homeschooling and things like that. You really just need a space just for yourself. So if I can have this space to where I can come in, edit my videos, have a nice place to just sit and relax, then this is definitely what I needed. And everybody needs that. So if you have like a porch or your own bathroom, if you want to make it into a spa, girl, make it into a spa. Make yourself feel good. If you have a little corner of your bedroom, if you like to read, make it nice. Get some candles, get some good lighting, get some pictures out. Whatever makes you feel good, you definitely need to do it. And I knew that by getting this room all nice and clean and decluttered, that I would feel so much better about it. And let me tell you, it's made a huge difference. And I know that I'm not speaking just for myself. I promise you, if you asked any other YouTuber that has a cleaning channel, their whole house does not look clean 24/7. Everybody's got that space where, you know, if you're just too tired to put things away, or, you know, in my case, I'm just like, okay, I'll just open up this door and throw this in there and I'll deal with it later. And then later never comes, and then I end up with a room like this. I know I'm not the only one. I'm sure people have closets, rooms, you know, places just like this. If you guys are Rae Dunn lovers, please, you probably want to hide your eyes on this part. I was stacking up the last of my Dunn that I honestly forgot that I had in this tote. I did not shield them from anything, but I did place them strategically to where they wouldn't move so I don't have a heart attack. But I'm going to go ahead and get in here and get started on the rest of the stuff. Like I said, I decluttered more clothes. Everything else that was in here, decor, I got rid of a whole bunch of stuff, but I'm going to go ahead and play you some good music, let you get some motivation, and see how this all turns out.
Don't talk about it like you're crazy. You know damn well I can't replace you. Just say what you mean. Don't waste your time being mad at me. Say what you mean, say what you mean. And you'll get what you need, get what you need. What I do is try to give you more than words. When I say I quit, it's only cause it hurts. We got places we can go to figure out what we've done, what we need, what to do. Yeah, I got you. The way you look at me is absent. It's like you're walking through a labyrinth. Just say what's going on. Don't waste your time being all alone. Say what you mean, say what get what you need, get what you need. What I do is try to give you more than words. When I say I quit, it's only cause it hurts. We got places we can go to figure out what we've done, what we need to do. Yeah, I got you, I got you, I got you. Don't play me, cause you're pushing me away. Don't say to me that we'll talk another day. Cause my phone won't be ringing anyway. That's how you roll, yeah. What I do is try to give you more than words. When I say I quit, it's only cause it hurts. We got places we can go to figure out what we've done, what we need to do. Yeah, I got you, I got you, I got you. What I do is try to give you more than words. When I say I quit, it's only cause it hurts. We got places we can go to figure out what we've done, what we need to do. Yeah, I got you, I got you, I got you.
So as you can see, I have my trusty sidekick with me again today. Bodie was very curious about all of the things being moved around, but I will tell you he was extremely excited that he could get to that window. He actually spent most of the day in there just looking out the window. I had to move things around him. I had to clean around him, but it was okay. He actually was very good. He did not get under my feet like he usually does, but he spent so much time at that window on this day, and actually every day since then, because I leave this door open now because there's nothing he can get to, and I think it makes him a little happy too with another space that he could just go and chill out in. So it made everything all worthwhile. I enjoy being in here. He enjoys being in here. But I wanted to ask you guys a question. If you have a place like this in your house, if it's a closet or a room or something like that, let me know down in the comments, and let me know if you need to go and tackle that room and if this video is giving you some motivation to do so.
Stepped into my life, such a magic feeling when you tore down my walls. I wish I could go back to right before you told me I'd try to change it all. But look at us now, could have gone so far. It hurts to realize we're parted. Yeah, look at us now, this is who we are. And I just know things will never be the same. We're like strangers again. Strangers again. We're like strangers again. I just know things will never be the same. We're like strangers again. Again, I thought we'd never fall. Could have tried much harder. Now all we have are scars. You said we'd get so high, higher up than heaven. You said we'd reach the stars. But look at us now, could have gone so far. It hurts to realize we're parted. Yeah, look at us now, this is who we are. And I just know things will never be the same. We're like strangers again. Strangers again. like strangers again. I just know things will never be the same, like strangers again. Like strangers again. Strangers again. Now that we parted, I better get started. It's time to get my head up again. You said that you had to, I'll try to forget you. Just didn't think we'd end up this way, like strangers again. Strangers again. Like strangers again. Strangers again. Like strangers again. Like strangers again.
So while I was moving things around, I went ahead and wiped down the baseboards and anything on the walls, especially since we've been having the windows open for the last few days. I've noticed that we've had some cobwebs and some extra dust bunnies. So I went ahead and took the opportunity to wipe all of that stuff down, and I made sure that I gave the window a really nice cleaning too. It was disgusting, and I knew that if Bodie was going to be in there hanging out, then I wanted it to be clean too.
Shine on me, shine on me. Shine on me, shine on me. I've been going out of my head. I've been waiting for someone to give me help. All I'm asking for is just some space and some time, then I'll be alright. I've been having thoughts in my mind I can't get out. Tell me things I can't say myself, from you and nobody else. Everything is out of my sight. This is all so new to me. I can do it all in your way. Say all the things that you say. I can do it all in one night. When I go out, the light doesn't shine on me. I fade out. It's all so new to me. I need you. Someone to show me the way. The light doesn't shine on me. Shine on me, 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 shine on me. I've been chasing highs just to breathe, yeah, I need that. Take it all in now, I see what I'm asking for is just some space and some time, then I'll be alright. I've been having thoughts in my mind I can't get out. Tell me things I can't say myself, from you and nobody else. Everything is out of my sight. This is all so new to me. I can do it all in your way. Say all the things that you say. I can do it all in one night. When I go out, the light doesn't shine on me. I fade out. It's all so new to me. I need you.
So I know I've talked to you guys before about doing more things to this room, like painting and things like that, but we're kind of focusing on some other areas of the house first, and honestly, I just have not had the time. But I do eventually want to paint this room. But I just wanted to say again, you don't have to spend thousands of dollars on new furniture or anything like that. Just have a space that makes you feel good. Like I took the plant out of the living room and put it in here by the window. That way it gets some more light, and it gave me a little bit of that something extra in this room to look at when I come inside. And the basket that it used to sit in, I'm actually going to be using it as a waste basket in here. It's just little things, around the house that I kind of switched up, and change is nice. And especially in here, like I said, I really needed this, and it gave me a boost of energy actually redoing this room. And now that I can come in here and it's so nice and clean. But I just wanted to hop on here and say that if you have a space that you want to redo, you don't have to go all out. Just make it your own and make it a nice quiet place to come home to. Everything is so hectic nowadays. You don't need to come home to your house being a mess, and that just makes us all crazy anyways. So just go ahead and do it. Like I said, if there's a room or a spot you need to do, just go on and do it.
We're talking to each other. I know we feel the same about the situation, like we're stuck inside a game. Time to get out of this circle. Yeah, we both carry a scar. Let's rewrite the part we're playing. Time to cherish who we are. The only thing I ever wanted starts with us taking the chance. Not like anything we've done before. Yeah. Now it's time for something better, and time for us to follow our dreams. No, we can't stay no more. Come run away, don't be afraid, we'll be okay. And I know it's the right thing to do, let's break away. All colors will fade, let's go our own way. Now's the time to decide what to do, and I'll stand by you.
Okay, you guys, I'm so excited for you to see how this turned out. I've actually used those 3 little pumpkins that I picked up from the Target dollar spot in my last video in here. It gave it a really nice little pop of color along with my plant. It looks so nice in here. I've also got my TV in here. That way I can watch all of my favorite YouTubers while I'm in here editing. I've got my oil diffuser, so it gives it that nice ambiance, that good smell and feel in here. I absolutely love it. But I wanted to make sure that you guys got some good motivation out of this. If you guys have a space of your own that you need to tackle, make sure you let me know. Bodie is in love with this room. I'm probably not going to be able to get him out of here. But I also wanted to remind you guys that I've always got the National Suicide Prevention hotline number in my description box. If there's ever a need for it, or if you know someone that might need it, please let them have it. I'm also always here. If you guys ever need to talk, just let me know. I'll talk to you. Also, I've still got my vision board up here, and we are chugging along. We have achieved so many things thanks to you guys. I really appreciate you. But that is all for today. I hope you enjoyed it. And as always, I love you and I appreciate you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
Get up, do it, break away. Get up, do it, break away. It's always mixed emotions. The first step is always hard.